Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the SMUG. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY ice maker is priced at $89, while the SMUG model is more affordable at $69. This makes the SMUG a better choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for great features without breaking the bank. Both the EUHOMY and SMUG ice makers produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, delivering up to 26 pounds of ice per day. This rapid production makes them ideal for parties and gatherings, ensuring you always have ice on hand. In terms of noise, the EUHOMY operates at less than 45 decibels, while the SMUG is even quieter at under 40 decibels. If noise level is a concern for you, the SMUG ice maker might be the better option for a peaceful environment. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and SMUG ice makers offer excellent features for their price points. The SMUG stands out for its affordability and quieter operation, while the EUHOMY provides a robust warranty and customer support. Whichever you choose, you'll enjoy the convenience of having ice ready in minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.